Hi, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you've visited my channel, hi and welcome. My name's Sandra. I live in Sussex. That explains the name. So I do lots of unboxings on my channels. I do reviews, I try products out. I look at products to see how they work for women of colour. I look at products to see how they work for an older woman. So, because I'm aged 50, so I like to see how things work for an older woman. And I'm just generally quite enthusiastic about beauty products in general. Today, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing, and it's a slightly different one. It's one that has been sent to me for free to review on my channel. It's actually from a company called the Mystery Gift Box Company. They contacted me about a couple of weeks ago, two people, Ellie and Ryan. They did the usual sort of email like, hi, we've seen your videos, we're really interested, we'd like to see if you'd like to review one of our boxes. I asked for some details about the box, they told me what they did and I said, yeah, I'm up for that. So what they tend to do, I'll get my phone out. What they tend to do, they do various boxes. They are mystery gift boxes, and they are. You can choose who the box is for. So they've got boxes for women. So for her, they've got boxes for him. You can do custom boxes as well, and you can do birthday gift boxes, and you can do gender neutral kind of boxes as well. Then you can choose a price. So I think the prices range from £25 for the value of the box to £100. So I said, okay, I'm up for that. They asked me what kind of box would I want and what kind of value, and I said, look, I really don't know what's the best thing to do, but can I just suggest an idea for who the box is for? So I said that I'd like to give the box to an 18-year-old who has just been accepted at her first choice college. So what would you suggest as a mystery gift box for that particular person? So they basically said, right, yeah, leave that with us. We'll send you something which we think will be suitable. So the box they've sent me, they said is a £30 value box. Let me just read the email they sent to me. So yes, within the box they say that what they've done, they've gift wrapped every item inside the box, which I think is a nice touch, and that's something they do offer to their customers. So they'll gift wrap each item and they'll charge £5 for that gift wrapping service, which I think is actually quite nice. They'll also do a personal message for you as well, and they'll charge £1.50 extra for that personal message. So they said they've got some extra information inside the box, so let's go ahead and see what's inside it. So this is what the box looks like. It arrived this morning. It looks like that. So it's a decent sized box. It's not too heavy, so I'll be intrigued to see what's inside it. So don't forget what I said, the box is going to be for an 18-year-old, and it's a gift, a congratulations kind of gift basically. So here we go, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the inside. And we've got a little leaflet here. So we say, we hope that you love your mystery gift box. We are a family-run business who absolutely love our mystery gift boxes and every item we put inside. Our main goal is customer satisfaction, and as a growing business, we very much value our customers' opinions. You will shortly be sent an email through Trustpilot to be able to write about your mystery gift box experience, and we would be exceedingly grateful if you could leave us a short review. And just to say, they've actually got something like 88 reviews on Trustpilot, and most of the reviews are 4 and 5 stars. I think I saw like a couple of like sort of 3 stars, nothing too low, and there were a couple of like 1 and 2 star ones, but they were very, very few. Most of the scores were 4 and 5 star rating, which is quite impressive, and most of the people are saying that it was really nice presented, great customer service, great communication with the owners. They also say that if you don't like something inside the box, you can return it as well, at no extra cost. You can return it and they'll try and send something more appropriate to you as well. So I thought that was quite nice as well. Yeah, so this little note is from someone called Ellie, so that's one of the people who wrote to me. So let's remove all of this stuff. Oh, this looks nice. Look at all of this. It does look like it's really nicely wrapped. So the box I've got is a £30 mystery box. So yeah, let's go and see what we've got. So this is the first item. Let's see what we've got. I must admit, when they sent an email to me, I was actually really intrigued. And looking at their email, they do describe themselves as they do say that one of the things you will find with their boxes are that they're intriguing, they're fun, and they're mysterious, and it's a nice surprise. So yeah, let's see what we've got going on here. It's all nicely wrapped as well, which is good. It's not cheap stuff. It looks like it's been nicely wrapped by an individual, which is, yeah, a nice little touch, isn't it? Ooh, well, that's a good start. Ooh. Right, so we've got Joe and Seth's popcorn. So these cost about, I'm trying to remember how much they cost. I think they cost like £3 to £5 each, that kind of thing. So that's not bad, is it? I know you can buy these in Sainsbury's. So the flavour we've got here is toffee, apple and cinnamon gourmet popcorn. Well, that's a nice start. Something to eat. That makes me happy. Oh yes, it is supposed to be for my daughter, but yeah, I might just sneak that one and keep that to myself. Right, item number 2. Okay, so it's like that. So that first item definitely put me in a good mood. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. So we've got a sheet mask. I've received a sheet mask from these people before. I think it might have been a pink parcel. So definitely received this before. So it's an avocado infused sheet mask. So again, that's probably sort of like £3 to £5 in value again. So that's the second item. Next we have this. I'm going to have to be quick. I just realised the battery on my camera is running out. Oh, that's nice. It's a candle. Look at that. So this is a candle, clementine and prosecco, natural candle. Ooh, it looks really nice as well. Let me see that. That looks cool. Nice. Have a biff. Very nice. I'm impressed so far. These are nice items, very nice items. Very impressed. This would be a good idea for a gift, wouldn't it? Okay, so we've got this box here. What are these? Pamper Party Bath Melt Collection contains individual lavender, patchouli, tuberose, freesia and pearl and rose geranium bath melts. Oh, okay. This is interesting. What are these? What are bath melts? Are they like little miniature bath bombs kind of thing? Oh, I'm not going to open it. But yeah, and it smells really nice as well. So I'm assuming they're like little miniature bath bombs you can put in the bath. So that's cool, that's nice as well. Then we have this one. Oh, I see what this is. I've got this already actually. This is one of those cups, insulated cups. And I think I've actually got this exact cup. I've got this exact cup. I can't adult today, yeah. I've literally got this. I'm trying to remember where I bought it from. I bought it from a shop in Brighton. It's a shop called Sass and Bell. Really great little shop. You get really nice quirky little gifts in there. So I think that's kind of cool. So it's just an insulated cup, you can see. And you can sort of drink out of there. See that? So that's cool. These are nice little gifts, aren't they? And one more thing inside here. Right, so it's a little selfie light to put on your camera. I've seen these around as well. So you put these on your camera and you can sort of like do your little selfie pictures and your little selfie videos as well for your Instagram. So I think that's actually quite perfect for the age group I'm looking at, sort of 18 years old. So if I give you, just give you a summary of the products here. So we've got that little selfie item there. Is that? A little mirror light thing. We've got this cup, so that's 2. I think this candle, number 3, which I think is really nice. 4, these little bath melts. Sheet mask, 5. And popcorn, 6. Is this worth about £30? I think it's definitely worth at least £30 worth of value here. I'd say so. I could probably find out all the price of the individual items online, and I'll post them and I'll do the editing later on. But I think that's a really nice box to give to someone. So if you look at that, in that presentation, I think that'd be a really nice gift to give to somebody. It's definitely someone, I mean, I'm hoping that they can customise the boxes for more adult people, because this box, I'd say, was definitely appropriate for someone who's 18 years old. So yeah, I quite like that little idea. That box I got there was a £30 value box, and as I said earlier, they do boxes from £25 to £100 value. You can get him, her, gender neutral, birthday boxes, custom boxes, so you design what you want. It's a great little idea, isn't it? So yeah, quite like that. What did you think of that? Have you ever received anything like this before, or have you seen this company before? As I said, the reviews on Trustpilot seem to be pretty good. I think I might use them. I think for birthdays, I can think of a few birthdays which I think would be quite a nice idea to give, because I like to spend about £25 to £30 on birthday gifts anyway. So I think that would be a nice one to give actually. Well, let me know what you think down below. But yeah, thank you very much, Mystery Gift Box, for sending me that box. I think it's actually a really good idea. Well, let me know what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a like down below. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? You know what you need to do. Just press that subscribe button down below. And once you're at it, if you press the little notification bell, that will definitely alert you to any upcoming videos that I'll be doing in the near future. Right, thanks very much for watching. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.